In a small, picturesque village lived two brothers, Arjun and Rishi. Once inseparable, they had grown up together, sharing everything from toys to dreams. But as they reached adulthood, a clash of dreams turned into a full-blown feud, creating a rift that seemed impossible to mend. Arjun, the older brother, was a hard-working farmer dedicated to preserving the family's land. Rishi, on the other hand, was an ambitious entrepreneur who wanted to sell the land and invest in a business in the city. Their differing visions for the future led to arguments, harsh words, and eventually, silence. The once warm family home became divided, with Arjun staying on the farm and Rishi moving to the city. The brothers stopped speaking, and years passed with only cold stares exchanged when they crossed paths. Both brothers started families of their own. Arjun had two sons, Rohan and Karan, who grew up hearing stories of their uncle Rishi but never knowing him. Rishi had a daughter, Anya, who often asked about her uncle and the farm she had never visited. Despite the distance, the children were curious about each other. They couldn't understand why their fathers, who were brothers, didn't talk. The unspoken tension weighed heavily on family gatherings, and the children longed to change that. One day, during a summer visit to the village, Rohan, Karan, and Anya by accident at the local market. They instantly bonded, sharing stories and laughter, realizing how much they had in common despite never having a chance to spend much time together. Anya, being the most outspoken, suggested a plan to bring their fathers together. Rohan and Karan were hesitant at first but eventually agreed. They decided to start by inviting both families to a picnic by the river that ran through their family's land, a place full of childhood memories for Arjun and Rishi. The children, with the help of their mothers, arranged everything perfectly. They set up a table filled with home-cooked food, games, and even a small boat ride down the river, something Arjun and Rishi used to enjoy together as kids. When the day arrived, both brothers were surprised to see each other but stayed for the sake of their children. The tension was palpable at first, but the kids' laughter and joy soon broke the ice. As they ate, the children began sharing stories about their fathers, emphasizing the good memories and the similarities between them.
Dad told me how you two used to race down this very river.
Karan said to Arjun and Rishi. Anya also chimed in.
And how Uncle Arjun always let you win, Dad?
The brothers exchanged awkward glances, but slowly, the memories started resurfacing. They remembered the days when they were the best of friends, how they always had each other's backs. After the meal, Anya suggested they all take a boat ride together, just like in the old days. The brothers hesitated, but with the kids urging them on, they eventually agreed. As they paddled down the river, the conversation started flowing more naturally. Rishi mentioned his struggles in the city, and Arjun spoke about the challenges of keeping the farm running. They realized that despite their differences, they both had faced hardships and had done so alone, without the support of each other. As the boat drifted along, the children started singing a song they had learned at school about the importance of family. The simple melody and the innocent voices of their children touched something deep within both men. They looked at each other, and for the first time in years, they saw not rivals but the brother they had missed. By the time they reached the shore, something had shifted. Arjun broke the silence, saying,
Rishi, I've missed you. We've both been stubborn, but it's time we put the past behind us.
Rishi nodded tearfully.
I have missed you too, Arjun. Let's not waste any more time.
They embraced, the weight of years of bitterness lifting from their hearts. The children cheered, and the wives smiled, knowing that this was the moment they had all been waiting for. From that day on, the brothers began to rebuild their relationship. Arjun helped Rishi with his business ideas, finding ways to integrate the farm into Rishi's city ventures, while Rishi brought new opportunities to the farm. They didn't agree on everything, but they learned to compromise and support each other.
And so, the family became whole again, with Rohan, Karan, and Anya often bringing everyone together for picnics by the river. The feud was a distant memory, replaced by laughter, love, and the understanding that family is a bond that should never be broken. The children had reminded the brothers of the true value of family, showing that sometimes it takes the innocence and wisdom of youth to mend what is broken and to build a bridge between hearts.
Thank you for watching. If you liked this story, give us a like and share. Subscribe to this channel for more such inspirational stories.